Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture.tv. Please excuse any of the light change because it's basically night and I decided to just sit down and unbox these with you guys. If you watched my vlog, my last luxury shopping vlog, I picked these two items up in the city randomly. It was not really meant to be what happened in the city that day, but it's how it turned out. And I've decided off some of the comments, I chatted with you guys in the comments, which has been so lovely. I decided that I would unbox the items. However, because I didn't know what we were doing. I didn't really know what the vibe was. I was just sitting on the ground. It was just whatever was coming and going. I don't want to do hauls. We're not hauling. I'm not showing you a whole ton of stuff. But I will kind of unbox each sort of thing and talk you through why I did it. I just watched the coolest chat joint video from Connor and Dale. Hi guys. They did the coolest joint video in his studio and they were together. So I was like, Connor, hello, when am I coming up to Brisbane? And Dale just said some really cool things where she was like, she wanted to see content with luxury just kind of more natural rather than, you know, copying kind of the idea of this is how you have to do it or these are the type of topics. And I agree with that. So I am going to tell you the story of these two items and how they came about. Prada. If you watch the vlog, you may or may not have heard me saying in the car to you that my phone, which is God knows where, please hold. I was saying in the car that my phone, not this case, this is from Target. My phone has had a Prada re-edition Saffiano leather case on it twice now. And I made a mistake in that vlog. I said $700 to my mum. It's not. It's $570. It's still very expensive. The one with the actual square card compartments on the back, I think that's about $700. Either way, it's a ridiculously stupid amount of money. Yes, it's Prada. Yes, it's luxury, blah, blah, blah. The point is that it was melting. It's done it twice now. So I took it in on that shopping trip last week and I was just like, no, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna say it's melting again. And actually one of you viewers made a comment that yours is too and that you don't have a Prada close by and you're upset as well. I would call the 1-800 number, babe, and complain because they've obviously been having problems with it. Nonetheless, in this box, I decided, they turned around and gave me a credit note. They remembered me from the time before. Look at Prada's packaging. Again, this is like a beautiful textured box. It's all gonna wash the color out because I don't have lights. It's got the gorgeous metal emblem here. And then the fabric tag, Prada Milano, which is very Mucciana Prada. She's done that forever. All of the studs around have Prada Milano on the whole box. I mean, this kind of packaging, like, it knocks other brands, Louis Vuitton, out of the water. Just saying, Louis Vuitton. So here we are. What I used the credit note for was this little guy. So down inside the box, very pretty. And look, even down to the detail of, see, it's got Prada Milano written on the inside, like the re-edition. If you see the print there, they make really, I'm trying to show you the print on the inside, Here, there you go. Now you can see. Oh God. I sat and thought about it for quite a while. I just sat there. Well, I was really upset for the longest time. The poor manager, she was so lovely. She remembered me from the first phone case. She was really embarrassed. She gave me the credit note, and then I just sat there for the longest time. I was like, no, you don't understand. I love my case. And she said, look, you can get another case, use the credit to get another case, but I cannot guarantee you that this isn't just going to happen again. So I tried on bag charms. If you watch the vlog, hi Jessie. I will link Jessie's channel below. She is a bag charm queen, queen of Hermes, queen of every collection in every brand she's ever collected. She is just a mass collector. She's amazing. And I tried on the bear, the crystal bear charm for $1,300. So I decided to think about it quite long and hard, and I thought I will use the actual, well, first I wanted the re-edition back that I had, and then I thought I won't use the re-edition necessarily, the nylon on its own again. So let's get a different kind of version of it. And this, there's a dust bag there, and this is the pochette re-edition in the nylon. Let me just do the buckle up so I can hold it and show you. And it was just giving me, again, re-edition, so 2000 vibes, but in a pochette accessories type sort of size, Louis Vuitton pochette accessories kind of size, not, you know, the re-edition that I had in the all over black with the nylon, and then I had it in the all over black with the leather, and then I had it in the all over crystals. Regrets. But this is it in the pochette, so you can see it there. So it is black in the nylon. You have the triangular re-edition in the gold, Prada Milano. There, it's got a beautiful gold zipper with a leather tab pull there, which you can see. Sorry, there's no light. And this shoulder strap is adjustable. I'm sure you can get more holes punched in it if you wanted, but it's just a shoulder strap. I mean, you could do it like a bum bag crossbody if you wanted to. I'll get on my knees and show you again in a second. The buckle itself has Prada engraved here on the side, and has 4 adjustments, which is really nice, and it's made of leather. So the actual strap is made of leather, not, again, a woven like the re-edition, the bag that's over the shoulder. So I kind of liked that. The other thing I liked is it's non-detachable, so that's fine. But the other thing I liked is you could just drop it down if you wanted and put your own long crossbody strap on, which again is what I do with half of my Louis Vuitton bags. I take off their straps and use it. So say my Palm Springs mini backpacks, I could take off the strap and use that as a crossbody strap and just leave this hanging. Because really, at the end of the day, what does that matter? But this is what I mean by I wanted to stop and really think through and exchange a credit note, rather than just racing and getting something or putting it to a charm. I was like, no, I would rather put it towards something and pay a bit more. Does that make sense? So that is what it's out on the outside. And the other cute thing is on this, hence the reason I was looking at the teddy bear charm, is it's got a D-ring, which is perfect because I'm bag charm obsessed. So I can hang a bag charm off that, or, you know, anything, a key charm or a clay or anything like that. So let's show the inside. Beautiful thick zipper, like so. Lovely. And then the interior is got some stuffing. Oh, beautiful. I didn't even really look inside. I'm just like, take that to the cashier. I'll use my credit note on that. I didn't really even look inside. So it's got the beautiful Prada, like that I just showed you, Prada Milano embroidery there, which you can see in the black. And then on this back side, it's got the Prada Milano plaque in the metal there. And it's got an interior pocket, which is basically the length of the pochette itself. So super duper handy. I mean, this is more, and then it's got its little Prada cards. They always have their little Prada cards, like authenticity cards and things like that. So perfect. Perfect if you're getting a good shot. Sorry again about the light. It's just what's happening. Show you phone, no Prada case. Totally fitting in, and a Max, not a problem. A card case, which is my Chanel. I will put that in the main compartment as well. Even though I don't have to, I could just put it in the back zipper. But I would put I can put my key, take my key tag off, and just put my key in the back zipper. That's cool. And zip that up. I could put my lip as well, which is still this Fenty Skin. It's what's on my lip right now, which mixed with a Huda Beauty pencil lip liner. My 4 key, that could go in there. Let's see. Squishing it in a little bit. That's all I would need. My sunglasses. If you watched my vlog, thank you so much. So many cute opinions on these new bad boys. Oh my gosh, now I can't unsee it. So anyway, let's zip that up and take a little look. Cute. Oh, nice. Completely my waist. Again, I'm tall, and yeah, so waist. And that's the longest setting at the bottom of the holes here. So the top setting up here would obviously be a lot higher, probably under the breast. But for a throw on and go over the arm like that, thing like more of a clutch kind of style. Cute! If in a pinch you were out, cinemas, kids, theme park, I'm doing it. I don't care. You know, transport, public transport, and you're on a train or something like that, I'm doing it. I would do this. I know it's high, obviously, but I wear my Louis Vuitton bum bag like that. The big original bum bag, I wear it this high. So, I mean, in a pinch, we're there. Why not? Why not? How cute. Oh my God, how cute. And then just bringing it up again close, it's got the re-edition triangular plaque logo, which is so 2005. Oh my gosh. Is it ever? Hey, let's finish up with this guy. So this was actually, I said in the vlog, really something I did want to get my hands on. Was one of these. I am completely bag charm obsessed. Bag charms, chains, like I'm just so obsessed. One of my friends on YouTube here, Amelia in London, she's so gorgeous. She is a huge like TikToker, influencer, whatnot over there in the UK, and those girls go wild. Anyway, she does the TikTok of like Jane Birkening your Birkin. This was the Christmas Fendi kind of bow, very gorgeous. And down inside here, oh, I didn't tell you the price for the Prada. Here is our beautiful item from Fendi, which also comes with this. Okay, so I just grabbed that because I didn't have it. This actually was $1,660, and I had the 570. I need to get that correct. 1 second. 585. Yeah. Okay, so it wasn't too bad. Yeah, I did have the one with the card case, the triangular card case pocket on top mixed up in the vlog. 730. Either way, extortionate amount of money. $1,660 for Prada. I mean, you know, you're laughing. That is, I am glad I sat there and thought it through, because I just wasn't walking away with nothing. I wanted something I could use and get use out of. You know, you don't think quick enough. This is a perfume, because what is in here holds Fendi card. Listen, oh my God, Vuitton, you can't beat this packaging. This packaging alone, look at this, is just beautiful. Look, little drawstring dust bag, like so. Oh, so cute. It's all in the details. And I know some people don't care about packaging. They just say it's a bag. It doesn't matter. But yeah, no, it matters. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, yay. I got a bag charm. So this is not just any bag charm. Here's its little tag as well. See, gorgeous. Let's take that off. Not just any little Fendi bag charm. Look at that. Fendi Roma on the front of it and a little stitch there. You can see the inside is a little bucket with the Fendi stripes. It's got 2 rivets on either side for a little handle. Then it's got a beautiful stitching to glazed like tie there, to a keychain, to an actual clip. This is a full clip. It's not just a charm like charm. You can clip your key to that. And then you got Fendi engraved there on the side of the actual clip. So gorgeous on its own. Okay, this. And then you get this inside of it, which, I mean, look at this packaging alone. So here we go, the Fendi box, the FF logo on top. Look at this. It's its own little magnetic box. I'm sorry, I know I rave about packaging, but it's how it's displayed. It's how it feels and how it should feel. And that's what brands like this, I feel, fly under the radar like that. They miss it, and for what reason, I have no idea. It's like a mess, but really at the end of the day, the finishing on all of this stuff from Fendi to Prada to Dior are just untouchable. Like, just so well done. I know I'm raving, oh my gosh. This in here is their bespoke perfume, and this is it's actually big. I think it's more than 10 mil. I think it's like a 25 mil. I'm looking everywhere for the name. It's on the bottle, Jerusha. It's on the bottle. Okay, this fragrance is called Samir Moi. Apparently it's one of their really like popular ones. I don't know if you can see because now I've completely lost the light, but the cap has FF logo all the way embossed, raised embossed, debossed, sticking out. So gorgeous because you put the fragrance in the little charm box. What is happening? Stop. What is happening? To carry your Fendi charm with your fragrance on your Fendi baguette, Jerusha, that you don't have anymore, or your peekaboo that you don't have anymore. I have regrets videos. Stop! What is happening? That is so cute. Oh my god, I'm charm obsessed. But stop! Stop! Never fool MM. Fendi fragrance charm. Hello. Nice to meet you. Oh my god. Stop. Oh my god. What? What? Where are we going? Where are we going? We need a martini, and where are we going with our Fendi fragrance charm, people? And and the sunnies and our Prada re-edition. Where are we going? Who are we seeing? Connor Dale. I'm coming to see him in Brisbane, Vegas. I am charm obsessed. Leave me a comment below if you are charm obsessed too. I know it's very TikTok on. I know it's trending, but as I said, my friend Amelia, I'll link her TikTok below. I think she just won a TikTok award. She is so cute. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace.